Well, but actually I don't like to get photographed.
No, it's no problem. It's only for my family, Ella. So this you can see Ella's shadow because she is against the light.
Now she's coming to the light.
No. And well, Ella was my host here in Copenhagen for the conference, and now it's really snowing here, and she took me for a walk in the park, so it's really beautiful, as you guys can see. So Ella, why don't you send a message to my folks back in Brazil?
I'll do. It has been nice having Mariana here.
What about something, your hopes for the conference, for the end of the conference?
Oh, they of course speak my hopes, but I don't think that it will turn out any real good things. But time will show, maybe. But I'm afraid of this, that they are just going to make it some sort of the possibility of selling these quotes to and making it to all to hot air selling, and then nothing really getting out of it. That's what are my worst, in a way, worst case scenario, because then nobody would really change their way of it will not get the possibility of rising the price that much of the fossil energy, so that it will change it.
Yeah, of course. Well, we still have 2 days of negotiation, so
Yeah.
let's hope for the best, right? Although we are getting really skeptical here.
Yeah.
So now, film me a little, please. I'm going to send a message. No, the other side. Yeah, like this.
And what should I do? Does it run?
Yes, it's running already.
You can't see you because you're just standing in the shadow as well.
Can you see me now? Not really?
Yes, a little bit. Maybe you should go over there.
Yeah, let's go there. So, hello folks from Brazil. This is like a huge snowing here, as you can see in the plants, in the trees. I'm really happy, and the snow, it feels so light. It feels like touching your face, and then it feels good. We have just been through a walk in the woods here in the neighborhood, and it was amazing. It's just so quiet, and the light is so beautiful, and the trees, everything is just white. I had never seen such a thing, and now I'm so glad to be here and to see all this snow falling. It's like a dream coming true, another dream coming true. So I'm just now much more calmer than the other video at the snow that I had. So I wanted to show you the serenity of the snow here in Dusegard neighborhood, directly from Copenhagen, Denmark. Love you guys. See you later. Yeah. Very beautiful. Now we can just stop it here.